Hey guys, LA Gamers here, and today I'm going to be playing some Happy Wheels. And we're gonna go search. Nah, we'll just play these. Let's go Impossible. That was loud. Play it. No! Oh shit, no! Oh, what? No! I can't remember. No! Go back. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Up. Go. Off. Nah. Okay, going back down, I can make it. Come on, please. Now I'm dead. Great. No! No! Oh! No! Goodbye. Nope. Get off. No! No! I'm still alive. Come on. Go! Make it! Yes, I made it! Okay, go. No, I've landed on the bomb. Yeah, goodbye. Impossible for fix. Let's go. This is making me go. Oh, come on, they're the white ones. Go, you butthole. Oh. No, I'm not playing that. It's making my game too laggy. Let's play some Jelly Big Jump. Get up. Let's go. Okay then. One of Billy's head was disgusting. Get all the coins. Too loud. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Yellow ball. We're gonna go Billy and Bobby. What? So easy. No. These nuts are. Let's go Santa. Let's not go Santa. Let's do that again. Let's go Billy and Bobby. Right, what? Okay, no, we're not doing that. Stop it. That's just dumb. Jump. Let's go Steve. Ugh. Tell me to jump. Nah. Oh, shit. Go. Okay, I don't get the point of this one. It's just dumb. Jump on the axe. Why is my... I dare you to touch the sharp part of your face. Just do it. Looks like we're going on an adventure. Ooh, shit. Looks like we're gonna die. Let's go sort through, because I can't read that one. Okay, let's go. Stuffy JB. Justin Bieber sucks my bum. Your mum. Shut. JB and your mum. Go. JB, you suck at singing. Your dad. Oh. My brother. No, I can't reach it. Oh my god, no. 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 No, I want to kill my brother at least. Yes. Die. Okay, let's redo that again. JB! No, I can't get the dad, which is the worst part. Oh! Oh, that's doing that nuts. Oh. Yes. No, I gotta kill his grandpa. Oh, please get him! No! Yes. No. Shut. Fuck. Yay! Let's go on to the next one. Blender. Ball blender. Whee! What? Gotcha. Bitch. Okay then, dead. Oh, dang. I don't know what to say. What's... Oh, well, it made us. Wow. Wow. The escape. Let's just play something ordinary. Go, go, go. No. No. It's about to go. Smash that window. Oh, shit. Yeah. Go up. Yes. Go. Yes. Well, of course, that's rated 5. JD is gay. Sword throw. This is going to be the last one I'm going to do. It. Well, that's it for